It's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I have an open invite collaboration announcement. It's for every Tuesday in July. It's called hashtag Don't Tangle My Tinsel Tuesday. Every Tuesday in the month of July, I will be dropping a video. For this collaboration, I'm the host. Anybody that wants to join me is welcome. Just let me know for me to add you to the playlist. And the time to drop your video is any time that's convenient for you. Just let me know to add you to the playlist. You can easily do that by messaging me on Instagram at Buckeye Girls Reason Things, or you can just comment on one of my videos that's already in the playlist. It's going to be a simple Christmas collaboration. It just must be a Christmas video. It can be a shopping where you go shopping and see the new Christmas things that's out. It can be a tablescape. It can be your favorite dish that you make that would be a great addition to your holiday meal. It doesn't matter. It can be just anything. If you want to bake a batch of cookies and go, here's my cookie recipe, I don't care. It can be a Dollar Tree DIY. It can be a thrift flip. It can be anything Christmas related. But it's Don't Tangle My Tinsel Tuesday. And we're going to have a lot of fun. I know Terry from Painting for Profit's going to be dropping a video every Tuesday for Don't Tangle My Tinsel Tuesday. But yeah, you're more than welcome to join us. And happy Christmas in July.